Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Elle. I truly do hope everyone is doing well today. So today I have a haul for you guys from Homegoods and Ross. The purpose of this haul was because I am being led by something, the decor world, to purchase some of these Moroccan looking pieces, or I am vibing with the whole Moroccan vibe these days. So I decided to go ahead, pick some pieces up, try it out for my next project and see how you guys like it. And first I have this beautiful bowl here by Tahari, and this was $24.99, and I was going to get two of them, but when I went to reach down for the other one, I saw this one. Now you can see it's a bit different, and this one was $16.99. So this littler, the smaller one I should say right here is $16.99, and then this one right here is $24.99, and I love it, and it's really going with the decor that I'm trying to get into right here. And I really like these pieces. They have a luxury look to them. It's like not, it has these gold undertones, and I really do think that they're really great as the fall and winter is approaching and you want to give your house a more of a mature look, in terms of mature luxury, kind of not glam, but a little bit of glitz look. I think these pieces are great and they're perfect for my project. So again, this smaller one here, the darker one, $16.99, and the bronzier one, $24.99 from HomeGoods. I am loving them. You can use them for decor. I don't know if I would use them to serve in, but you can do a floral arrangement, or you can put your decorative balls in here. And I do love them, and I think it would look really nice for Christmas decor as well. At least this one will. So yes, here they are. This is one of my favorite pieces right here. It's this vase, and it is handcrafted in India. I just love the look of this for $12.99. Now, it's not the color scheme that I need, so I may, although it looks good together, I may have to change the color a little bit. I may have to do this in a gold, brush on gold color. Have to be very strategic about um, painting it, because I don't want it to be too much of a gold. I want it to have a hint of gold. So because of the shape, I went ahead and I bought this. I think this is really like a Moroccan vibe, a really nice piece here. And I think it'd be perfect for the project. Right now it's just in the wrong color, and I actually wish that I could have found two of these, or even like a bigger size. I'm going on a home decor hunt for it. So I'll be in a lot of Home Goods. And yes, look at it here. Isn't it lovely? I found me the most beautiful candles. I don't know if I'm gonna be using this for my project or keeping it for myself. Look at this apple and pine candle. How beautiful is this apple and pine candle here? Look at how gorgeous this is, guys. Look at how, and it smells before you even open it. It's 2 wicks. It smells like Morocco, okay? It does. But I don't know if I want to give these away because it's absolutely beautiful. It's in a glass, and it's like a burgundy-ish, maroonish color, if you can see it there. And I think it just has such a great hint of elegance. Not a hint, a lot of elegance. And I really, really like it. And of course, I have to pick up two of them. So, yes, indeed. Here's two of these beautiful candles, and they were $17. So Usually I wouldn't pay that much for a candle. Well, that's not true. There's times where I paid $30 for a candle, which I'm going to do soon because I have another project going on. And I saw these candles at Walmart, I think, of all places. Was it Walmart? I think it was Walmart. And they're worth $30. So, yes, look at how beautiful and luxury these candles look. They're huge. I think they make a statement with 2 wicks. I know it's going to smell your whole entire house. Do you see this candle holder? It could be more than a candle holder. I found this at HomeGoods for $19.99. I just love how this is. Look at how gorgeous this piece is, guys. You can do decorative things for the holidays. And these pieces are interchangeable with any type of decor. Later on, you can easily paint this black because it has this bronzish color here. And like, again, I'm looking for this Moroccan theme, right? So look how beautiful this is with these bowls and how much they go. So again, they're interchangeable, this piece. And I also managed to pick up the smaller one. This one was $14.99, $19.99. And then this one here, let me just balance this out, was $16.99. Look at how pretty. I'm loving this one. This is the medium one. So I was able to get all 3 pieces in these. Sorry, I only have 2 hands. Yes, don't you just love when you go to HomeGoods and they have exactly what you're looking for, and it makes a project or decorating your space a lot easier? And I also picked up this table from HomeGoods, and this was $49.99. I am in love with this. Really am in love with this pan type of table. I think it's really cool. They had 2 of them, and I think I should have got 2, but I'm going to show you something else that I decided to do with it. And then there's this 3-tiered table here. I'm loving this vibe. And this was $49.99 as well. Something is telling me to go back and get the other one to it. So they had 2 of these as well. So what I want to do is just pair it together, these 2 tables, and I think it makes such a statement. And I was thinking that if I got 2, it would be too much, but I may just get get 2 pieces, like go back and get one more of this black one here, right? And then go back and get another one of these and just see how it works. But I thought just the way it is like that, it just makes such a beautiful display. I'm loving it for real. This beautiful mirror from Ross for $69.99. It is absolutely spectacular. Look at the detail on it. I am loving this. Yes, I am. Hello. I also got this rug from Ross, and this was $29.99. It was so lovely with all the decor pieces that I have picked up, and they have a lot of different ones like this in Ross. When I saw this, I was just like, you know what? I think this makes the statement that I want without too much pattern. So yeah, you can see the pattern there. Really liking this. Now let's talk about these leaves. Aren't they beautiful? And I've been seeing these leaves in Ross, HomeGoods, and World Market. World Market has it a lot more expensive at $59.99, I think, which was ludicrous. And I really do love this. I didn't know if I was going to buy them at first, but I jumped ahead and I went ahead and bought them. And if I can't style them, I'll take them back. Otherwise, I really do like them. And I kept seeing them and I said, why not for $14.99? I think that's a great deal. I also picked up this beautiful candle holder from Ross. I really need two of them. I either need two of the same or I need two, a bigger one to this one, or even a smaller one. I'll take it. I wish I can find it. I am definitely going on a decor hunt, which means I'll be bringing you guys another haul soon. But this was $11.99 from Ross, and I am loving this candle holder. It's marble, it's heavy, and I love it because it definitely has a look of luxury. And I'm just like, why did someone just buy one? I wish I had not seen it at all than to not have two. I'm just like, who would leave the one? But anyway, I only found one. I'm going to go to different Ross, and I also have to go to HomeGoods to try to find more candles and another home decor piece, some more home decor pieces. So I'll be doing another haul soon, guys, but this is just this beautiful candle holder right here. Really liking this, and this was $11.99. And then I got this piece as well. And this I'm thinking about styling in the entryway. And I like this. This is a candle holder. I think this piece is really, really nice. And you can always spruce up the gold on here, especially around this area if you want it to be a little bit brighter. But you definitely have a nice luxury piece, and this was only $16.99 at Ross, and I'm really feeling this, guys. I'm thinking that everything that I got really goes well with the whole Moroccan theme that I'm looking for. And yeah, I can't wait to style it. And this was my last piece that I got from Ross. So picked up two coffee table books. I'll start with this one here. This is Vogue on Location, People, Places, Portraits. And I got this from HomeGoods. And this was $34.99. I think this book has some beautiful inspiration. um, I love some of the scenery and the places and the clothing, the fashion. I usually draw a lot of my inspiration from fashion as well as locations, geography, you name it. I draw my home decor inspiration from a lot of different places. So this is one of the coffee table books that I picked up. And let's see what it looks like without the cover on it. And it's nice black matte finish, and I think it will look great on top of a coffee table. I also picked up 150 new interior design ideas coffee table book. Now this is a petite, cute coffee table book. I'm really liking it. You can see the size. It's nice and chunky and small, not too big. And I like this because it has beautiful ideas, right, to help you design your home, as well as diagrams on how you can lay out your pieces. See? So here it gives you a floor plan, and then it shows you how to lay out some of your furniture pieces. So lots and lots and lots of decor ideas for $19.99. Look at that. Really cool. I'm really liking this room right here. And this was $19.99 at HomeGoods there. And let's see what this one looks like without the cover on it. It's blue. If you like blue in your home and you want to place this on the coffee table for a pop of color, you can. I think it makes a nice layering look. Okay, guys, well, that's it for my haul. I do hope that you enjoyed and you got some home decor inspiration. Again, I'm decorating for a project. I may want to just keep some of these pieces for myself or go right out and find some duplicate pieces because I really do love them. I love the whole vibe. And so I hope you can find them at your HomeGoods. I apologize about not having links. HomeGoods are a one-off. You got to buy it when you see it. So here's another look at all the beautiful pieces that I purchased on this shopping haul. I truly do appreciate everyone. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.